Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric with FisherDrumming.com, and I am stoked to go over a new lesson with you. This is an exercise that I know is going to help you. It's been helping me a lot lately. It's something I've been practicing, and I've already seen great improvements with overall limb independence and coordination with our four limbs that we use as drummers. As you can see, I got my practice kit out. I'm thinking a lot of you probably are practicing on practice kits while we're all stuck in this lockdown here. And maybe some of you don't have access to your normal acoustic drums, or you're not able to play them all day long. I actually do recommend this on a practice kit, and sometimes you want to practice certain exercises on pads because what happens is you don't get a lot of those overtones that you normally do on an acoustic kit. On a practice kit like this where we got rubber pads that we're hitting, you can really get a good sense of your timing and your overall consistency on your notes. So that's one reason that you actually do want to use a practice kit throughout your normal practice. Okay, so let's break it down and get right into the nuts and bolts of this thing. What we're doing is we're flowing through 5 different subdivisions between our kick and our hands while keeping perfect time quarter note pulses with our hi-hat. We're playing kick, right, left, and just looping that. Kick, right, left, kick, right, left. That seems pretty easy, right? But how about when you're playing quarter notes with your hi-hat? Now your kick drum and your hands are going to be falling in different places because we're playing a pattern of 3, right? When we're counting a pattern of 4. It's going to create a really cool trifecta. That's probably not the right word, but it sounded cool in the moment. So basically we're playing polyrhythms, but I don't really want to get into that. What I want you to know is we're going to be flowing through different subdivisions with the kick, right, left. First, we're going to be starting off on the quarter note. Then we're going to go to quarter note triplets, which is 6 notes in one measure. Then we're going to go to 8th notes. Then we're going to go to 8th note triplets. And then we're going to go to 16th notes. All kick, right, left, the pattern of 3, looping underneath the pulse of our hi-hat counting quarter notes. In order for this to work, we always have to be switching to the next subdivision, starting with our kick. Each subdivision gets 3 measures, and then we move to the next one. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 measures of each one, and then we're going to go to the top 16th notes, and then we're going to go back down. So it's like a pyramid. We're going up and then down. It's really going to test your linear coordination, your timing, and your overall independence, okay? So let's take it from the top, nice and slow. We're going to start with a slow BPM. Remember, 3 measures of each subdivision. Watch it and then jump in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. After doing this for a while, try soloing around the set while keeping time with your hi-hat. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this lesson. I hope it was fun, and I know it's going to be helpful if you practice it. So make sure you practice it. Don't just see it one time and then forget about it. Actually add this to your practice routine and you will see benefits. You will see improvements in your overall coordination and your ability to move around the set while keeping your hi-hat counting. So thanks for sticking with me through the whole lesson, guys. Make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. If you're new, subscribe please. I love your support. I appreciate it. I read everybody's comments. And guys, if you want some more lessons like this, if you want some more stuff, make sure to stop by FisherDrumming.com. You can actually get a free practice loop when you sign up with your email today. And we got a new course coming out. Super, super excited about it. It is nothing like I've done before. This is a whole new, exciting course. It's a musical drumming course to develop your musicianship, to develop your song performance, all of these wonderful things I want to show you guys. We're about a month away, I would say, to releasing that, so stay tuned for the next lessons. All right, guys, take care, practice, and I'll talk to you soon.